Hello and welcome. I'm excited to take you through a comprehensive walkthrough of the Project Portfolio Management Dashboard, developed by Russell King & Services, Finland. This platform is built for organizations managing multiple projects simultaneously, teams that need real-time visibility into performance, risk, resources, and alignment. It's designed to help leaders make faster, smarter, and more confident decisions. Let's begin by exploring the interface. User interface and navigation. The first thing you'll notice is the clean, modern UI. From the moment it loads, the dashboard presents a sleek, intuitive workspace, complete with dark and light mode options to suit your environment. Navigation is streamlined. Everything is organized into tabs, making it easy to switch between views, from project dashboards and Gantt charts to cyber risk analysis, stakeholder mapping, and earned value insights, each just a click away. Project Portfolio Dashboard. Here, in the Project Portfolio Dashboard, we get a real-time overview of all active initiatives. Each row represents a live project, while the columns give you instant access to key KPIs, current status, completion rates, risk scores, and more. And if you're managing a large portfolio, filtering becomes essential. You can sort by project owner, strategic theme, delivery phase, or risk level. It's an easy way to drill down, from full portfolio to a single delayed project, or a department-specific subset. Visual indicators help you prioritize. Color-coded statuses quickly show which projects are on track, delayed, completed, or flagged for escalation. Earned Value Management, EVM. Let's move to one of the most insightful components, Earned Value Management. This view lets you compare earned value versus planned value, giving you a powerful lens into how each project is performing against both budget and timeline. You're not just seeing outcomes, you're seeing how predictable and efficient your delivery really is. This isn't about catching problems late. It's about managing proactively, adjusting resources, reallocating funding, or resetting stakeholder expectations before issues escalate. Now let's take a look at the Gantt chart view, a dynamic visual timeline that maps out every project task, milestone, and dependency in real time. It's your go-to tool for understanding how projects are progressing, spotting delays early, and adjusting plans with confidence. What's especially powerful is the ability to filter directly from the program dashboard. Whether you want to focus on a specific project owner, risk level, or strategic priority, you can instantly isolate a single project and track its schedule in full detail. This level of visibility ensures teams stay aligned, deadlines are met, and nothing falls through the cracks. Stakeholder analysis. Now, beyond numbers and timelines, projects live and die by stakeholder clarity, and this dashboard delivers. The Integrated Stakeholder Analysis module is a game-changer for organizations focused on governance, engagement, and accountability. We begin with the Stakeholder Onion Diagram, a visual representation of stakeholder proximity. At the core, your sponsors, decision-makers, and core delivery team. In the next ring, support roles like finance and compliance. And finally, outer layers for regulators, vendors, or the broader community. This model doesn't just show who is involved, it shows how involved they are. That's critical when managing influence, setting communication cadences, and aligning expectations. Stakeholder networks and RACI. Closely tied to this is the Communication Network View, a dynamic map showing how information flows across roles. You'll see where decision bottlenecks might occur, or where clusters are overly dependent on a single actor. Add to that the RACI matrix, responsible, accountable, consulted, informed, baked directly into every stakeholder profile. It brings role clarity from day one. Who signs off? Who must be consulted? Who just needs to stay in the loop? Together, the Onion Diagram, Network View, and RACI Matrix form a robust toolkit for stakeholder engagement, interactive, exportable, and ready to plug into steering committees or governance packs. Cyber Risk Management. Let's pivot to cybersecurity risk, an essential dimension for any project operating in today's digital landscape. With the Cyber Risk View, you can evaluate each project's exposure across threat categories. Security becomes part of portfolio oversight, not an afterthought. It brings IT and project leadership onto the same page with simple, actionable visuals. And thanks to the real-time filtering system, isolating high-risk projects or reviewing compliance across the portfolio is just a few clicks away. Dynamic reporting and deep analytics. Need to present this data? No problem. Log in, and with dynamic reporting, you can generate polished, exportable summaries in seconds. Filter, capture, and report, without spending hours building slides or writing executive briefs. Next, We have the communication network view, a visual map that illustrates how information flows across your project or program teams. Each node represents a stakeholder or role, and the connecting lines show who communicates with whom and how often. This isn't just for display, it's fully interactive. You can filter the network by project, department, or stakeholder type to zero in on key communication pathways. For example, you can isolate a single project and instantly see if critical roles like security, finance, or operations are properly connected. This tool helps identify communication gaps, overload risks, or isolated teams, ensuring the right people are talking at the right time. It's essential for building alignment and eliminating bottlenecks before they impact delivery. It helps project managers track progress, identify scheduling conflicts, and adjust timelines in real time. This view is essential for ensuring coordinated execution across teams and keeping projects on schedule. To view delivery risks, cost curves, stakeholder maps, and earned value trends. Everything is connected, no silos, no duplicated effort. This enables the PMO to act as a strategic engine, not just tracking progress, but driving it. Wrap up and strategic value. As a portfolio leader, your challenge is to balance execution speed with governance. This dashboard gives you both clear ownership, data-driven insights, and aligned decision-making across the board. It's built to scale across departments, with customizable layouts, filters, and metrics so each team sees what matters most, whether that's cost savings, regulatory success, or innovation velocity. Before we close, let's recap what this tool brings to the table. Complete, real-time visibility across your entire portfolio. Earned value insights tied to budget and time performance. Stakeholder and cyber risk intelligence, in one view. Seamless reporting for execs, PMOs, and compliance teams. And a modern, accessible user experience your team will actually use. This is more than a dashboard, it's a strategic project intelligence platform. It turns complexity into clarity, data into direction. Thank you for joining this walkthrough of the Project Portfolio Management Dashboard. We'd be happy to offer a trial environment or schedule a hands-on session with your team. We look forward to helping you turn your project portfolio into a strategic advantage.